Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Forest. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your mobile phone into a high quality webcam. And we are going to do it wirelessly. Whether you are streaming or attending online meetings or creating a content. This method will help you to get a professional quality webcam without needing to buy a new one. So let's get started. First, you need to download and install Camo Studio on your laptop. Just head to their official website, download the software that is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and follow the installation instruction. No need to worry as it's completely free. Next, on your mobile phone, download the Camo Studio from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. This app will allow your phone to work as a webcam. Here you can also see my mobile screen as I casted my mobile screen on the laptop so that I can show you the step which I am performing. If you also want to know how to cast mobile screen on the laptop, you can see my another video. The link is available on the description. Now coming to the point. To use phone as a webcam wirelessly, make sure both your laptop and mobile phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a smooth connection. Open Camo Studio on your laptop. Here you can adjust camera settings such as resolution, zoom, focus, etc. Also open the Camo camera application on your mobile phone. After opening the app, I am giving the required permission and this is only one-time process. Now coming to the laptop, in the device session, now I can only see my laptop's inbuilt webcam as its clarity is very bad, I think 720p. But I want to use my mobile as a webcam. But here it's not showing any other device. So you need to click on plus icon. Now it will show you one barcode and we need to scan this barcode from the mobile Camo app. It will connect your laptop with mobile phone. Once connected, you can adjust settings like camera resolution, frame rate from your Camo Studio. You can even use your phone front or rear camera depending on your needs. Finally, test it out. You can use your mobile webcam in any video conferencing or streaming app like Zoom, Google Meet or OBS Studio. Just select Re-incubinate Camo as your camera source in the app setting. And that's it. You have successfully turned your mobile phone into a high quality webcam. It's an easy and affordable way to get great video quality for all your online need. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Forest for more tech tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in a next video.